Hi guys, I wanted to show you a couple of things I was going to do today with the Pampered Chef. These are the flexible cutting mats. So there's the red one, the green one, and the yellow one. So I'm going to use the yellow one today. And I was going to show you their utility knife. It's very green. And then it's very green underneath. It's great. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to cut some chicken. So I have a chicken breast here, and I'm just going to try to slice it against the grain. And oh my god, it sliced like friggin' butter. It's great. Oh my gosh. Everyone should have one of these.